In this video, we are going to install NAT Gateway. First of all, I log in from my laptop to public EC2 instance, then log in to private EC2 instance. After that, we install NAT Gateway. Then make sure EC2 instance in public subnet get the access to the internet through the NAT Gateway. So that we are going to do. Let's get to it. This is a private EC2 instance. You can see the public IP address here. All right, so let's log into private EC2 instance. So this is a private EC2 instance. You can see no public IP address here. So just in case, we check the network connection. Right, there's no internet from the command line. As you can see, this EC2 instance in private subnet does not have internet connection. After we successfully install NAT Gateway, this machine should be able to access to the internet. To create a NAT Gateway, we go to VPC page. Now you can see the NAT Gateway link on here and also left-hand side. So let's click either one. At this moment, there's no NAT Gateway. So let's create a new one. First of all, type the name of NAT Gateway. In my case, so this is the name of my NAT Gateway. And then select the subnet. In my case, I install NAT Gateway in public A subnet. So let's select that one. So you can see page public A. So this is the one I'm going to install. So make sure you select the public subnet. And the connectivity type, keep it as a public. And then elastic IP address, which is static IP address. At this moment, there's no elastic IP address. So let's create the one. Just click this button. Then elastic IP address was created, also assigned to this NAT Gateway. The tag, don't worry about it. I just keep it as a default and then click NAT Gateway button. Now it's generating the NAT Gateway. If you click this button, you can see the status of the new NAT Gateway. At this moment, status is pending. It would take probably 2-3 minutes. Let's wait. Okay, so now the status of the NAT Gateway is available. Next step is we are going to add one more route from private subnet to NAT Gateway. To do this, we are going to the route table page and then click on the link of the private subnet. At this moment, there's only one route inside of the VPC. So let's create another route. To do this, click Edit Route button and then click Add Route button. Right, so let's select the O.O.O/0 and then target is NAT Gateway. Just type in NAT, then you can see the NAT Gateway and then you can see the available NAT Gateway in here. So this one is we just created in the previous step. Let's click on that and then click Save Change. Alright, so now you can see another route. So all the route to the O.O.O/0 is going to the NAT Gateway. So this is the meaning of it. The configuration of the NAT Gateway has been all done. So let's check the private EC2 instance get the internet connection. Okay, so now we are back to EC2 instance. Let's check from the command line. As you can see, we got the response from ping and also when we refresh the page. Right, so now we have access to the internet connection. As you can see, the configuration of the NAT Gateway is quite straightforward. In the next video, we are going to create NAT instance. Before we move on, we need to clean up the environment. So let's delete the NAT instance. To delete the NAT Gateway, first let's go to the NAT Gateway page. And then select this NAT Gateway and delete NAT Gateway. Simply type delete and click delete button. Right? So now if the status is deleting, it will be deleted. The other part is actually we create the elastic IP address at the same time. So when we go to this page, we can see this elastic IP address. So we need to delete it. To do this, release elastic IP address. So click on that. So at this moment cannot release. It's because the NAT gateway is still deleting. So let's wait a bit. Alright, so let's try one more time. Just select the elastic IP and then release elastic IP address. Alright, so now we should be able to release by click this button. Now it's the elastic IP address was gone. So now we clean up the environment.